This is the humidifier. I honestly did not realize that this thing was as big as it is. I thought I was ordering a small one, but I love it. Look at that. To show you, has the little okay, so it has a little controller. You could use the controller, or you can do it from here, but it has the color for nighttime. You can, it has the mist volume, it has a timer, the UV lamp, on and off button, sleep. Overall, I think this is a great product. When the kids get their colds or they have a hard time breathing at night, sometimes it's too hot, or when they get sick, like I said. I love it. It's so cool. All that smoke coming out, that's perfect for breathing. I put a couple drops of essential oil in the back. It has a little thing right here where you can just press it. It has like a little thing in there where you put the drops, little sponge, press it back in, and yeah, I love it. Very cool, very, very cool, neat. My daughter wants to take it to her room now. But yeah, definitely recommend, because look at all that. And just breathing it in is so satisfying. Love it.